I'd like to thank AODisc for sending this to me so I can do this video.
Okay, so it looks like we have our instructions, wood panel, wood panel, wood panel, hardware, wood panel. This is going to be the feet. So first of all, you want to take your wooden pegs. You got 2 for each base, and insert them in the holes. So now you take one of your side boards. It has the 2 larger holes for the pegs, smaller hose for the screw. You take your base and line up the pegs, push them in, and then secure with the long screws. The screwdriver is included in the package. And then we do that with the other side, and we'll be done with the second step. So next you want to get your horizontal boards, and on the end it'll just have the 2 peg holes. You want to put your wooden pegs in those. You go get your other board, and that's how you connect those 2. And once you also notice these 2 holes on the front of each board. It's on the other side too, facing me. What you do, you put this connector, just connector across to both boards, line up your hose and put the short screws, be 4 short screws, 2 on each side. And that's how you connect these boards together. When you finish, this is the way it looks. It's holding both boards together on both sides. So now we want to connect our horizontal boards with our upright boards. This is our upright board with the feet. Take your long screw, put them in there, sticking out this way. And on your horizontal boards that we put together, here on the end is where you're going to match those screws into these holes, and you just tighten them down on each side. Then you just cover the hose with these little caps. So this is what we'll put on next on the tops here. You got 2 screws, the short screws. It goes in right here and here, and you don't put them down tight, just enough to where it holds it good against the base. And that way then you can slide it in and out from both sides to make it the width for your keyboard to fit. So let's actually put it to the test. No wobble, feels rock solid. So if you're tired of a stand that shakes every time you hit a chord, this one's sturdy. It adjusts to fit your keyboard, will hold up to 50-pound keyboard, and it protects both your instrument and your floors. Links down below if you want to grab one for yourself. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps, and I hope to see you again.